Question number 1. Which IV fluid is prepared in a patient with brain edema? The correct option is C. 3% saline. Question number 2. Which condition shows a sensitive sign in infant? The correct option is A. Hydrocephalus. Question number 3. A laboring woman suddenly develops seizures. BP is 160 by 110. What is the immediate management? The correct option is D. Administer magnesium sulfate. Question number 4. In which type of shock is the skin warm and flushed? The correct option is D. Septic shock. Question number 5. What is the fundus at the level of the umbilicus in pregnancy? The C. 20th weeks. Question number 6. What is the minimum urine output required in adult to ensure kidney perfusion? The correct option is B. 30 milliliter per hour. Question number 7. A patient receiving chemotherapy develops low white blood cell. What is the priority? The correct option is C. Isolate patient. Question number 8. What does a high blood urine nitrogen with normal creatinine suggest? The correct option is A. Dehydration. Question number 9. A nurse notes cherry red skin in unconscious patient. What is the likely cause? The correct option is B. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Question number 10. A neonates fail to pass meconium within 24 hours. What is likely diagnosed? The correct option is A. Hirschsprung disease. Question number 11. A child has steeple sign on neck is X-ray. What is the diagnosis? The correct option is D. Crow. Question number 12. A patient suddenly develops pinpoint pupils and low respiration. What is the emergency drug? The correct option is B. Naloxone. Question number 13. A toddler puts a coin in their mouth and started choking. First aid is? The correct option is C. Abdominal thrust. Question number 14. A nurse observes a wherein QR is complex. This is seen in? The correct option is A. Hyperkalemia. Question number 15. A patient with renal failure has ammonia breath. This is called? The correct option is B. Uremic factor. Question number 16. A child present with fever, rashes, red tongue and feeling hands, likely diagnosed. The correct option is D. Kawasaki disease. Question number 17. Which condition causes moon pace, buffalo hopes and strill? The correct option is C. Caution syndrome. Question number 18. A nurse finds a postpartum mother shivering and feverish. What should she suspect? The correct option is C. Endometritis. Question number 19. Which drug is avoided in asthmatic patient? The correct option is A. Aspirin. Question number 20. What color is used for oxygen cylinders in hospitals? The correct option is B. Green color cylinder. Question number 21. Which hormone stimulates milk production after delivery? The correct option is D. Prolactin. Question number 22. What causes cryptus in a fractured limb? The correct option is C. Bone robbing. Question number 23. In TB patient, which drug causes red or orange urine? The correct option is B. Rifampin. Question number 24. A wound is opened and shows the red moist granulation tissues. Which stage of healing? The correct option is D. Proliferative. Question number 25. A nurse sees blood leaking under the skin from IV site. What is it called? The correct option is C. Hematoma. Question number 26. Which method is used to confirm nasogastric tube placement before feeding? The correct option is B. pH testing. Question number 27. Which organ is most affected in acetoaminophen overdose? The correct option is B. Liver. Question number 28. What is the ideal needle length for intramuscular injection in adults? The correct option is C. 1.5 inches. Question number 29. What condition causes a positive Babinski sign in adult? The correct option is A. Stroke. Question number 30. What is the main function of surfactant in lungs? The correct option is D. Reduce surface tension. Question number 31. What causes a Redman syndrome with vancomycin? The correct option is B. Rapid IV infusion. Question number 32. Which electrolyte imbalance increases seizures risk? The correct option is B. Hypocalcemia. Question number 33. What is the danger of mixing potassium chloride with IV bolus? The correct option is D. Cardiac arrest. Question number 34. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? The correct option is C. Rubella vaccines. Question number 35. Which drug is used to prevent postpartum hemorrhage? The correct option is A. Oxytocin. Question number 36. What is a side effect of long-term steroid therapy? The correct option is C. Osteoporosis. Question number 37. Which organ is most sensitive to lack of oxygen? The correct option is C. Brain. Question number 38. What position prevent aspiration in unconscious patient? The correct option is D. Lateral. Question number 39. What is the maximum time a unit of blood should be infused? The correct option is A. 4 hours. Question number 40. Which side effect is best for pregnant women to lie on? The correct option is C. Left side. Question number 41. What is the cause of moon phase and Cushing syndrome? The correct option is A. Steroid. Question number 42. Which pulse is checked before digoxin? The correct option is B. Apical pulse. Question number 43. Which side effect is common with chemotherapy? The correct option is C. Hair loss. Question number 44. Which heart sound is heard with maternal stenosis? The correct option is A. Murmur. Question number 45. What is the medical term for nosebleed? The correct option is C. Epistaxis. Question number 46. Which fluid is prepared in hypovolemic shock? The correct option is B. Normal saline. Question number 47. Which electrolyte imbalance occurs in Burns? The correct option is C. Hyperkalemia. Question number 48. What is the best site for adult intramuscular injection? The correct option is D. Gluteus medius. Question number 49. What is the hallmark sign of Parkinson's disease? The correct option is B. Tremors at rest. Question number 50. Which method destroy all microbes including spores? The correct option is D. Sterilization. Question number 51. What is the key danger in diabetes insipidus? The correct option is C. Dehydration.